good, budget fan? It is your boy Sneaker on a Budget, one of the hardest working sneakerheads on YouTube. Go give me a like, share, and subscribe. Definitely helps the channel out. Because you know, YouTube been holding us down out here, budget fan. Damn! Alright, so boom, as you already know, we're so close to 1,000 subscribers. You can be the one to help us get us there. So definitely subscribe if you like content like this. It's been a while since I did a review. It's been a while since I uploaded on this channel. I do apologize about that. But we got a review today because I got something in. Now with this shoe right here, this shoe is on a release on certain stores. I believe Nike released them in certain stores on purpose. They didn't have a drop on Sneakers app. They didn't have a drop on Nike. They definitely didn't go to the big box stores such as Foot Locker, Champs, and all those usual suspects. So they only released it on there. So it wasn't hard to get a pair. I mean, it kind of was hard to get a pair, but it wasn't too crazy. Like the resale for it wasn't so high. I was actually able to get these for 140. Shout out to Soul Steals for throwing up the steal, and I grabbed it as soon as I seen it. And the shoe we're talking about, as you can tell from the thumbnail, is these Heirloom Air Jordan 1s. There's definitely a story about it. Definitely talk about the Heirloom. You know how, Jordan and the Air, passing things down to his kids. And we got this box right here. Now this box is interesting. I've seen that Jordan brand is using this box a lot. They use it on the Rebellionaires. They use it on the I forgot what the other one's called. They're like the Volt looking ones, the Volt ones. They use on those as well. So definitely going with the same thing. Definitely with the same theme on it. You can't stop them from wearing this. But I love the look of it. It looks like regular cardboard, right? And it definitely has the writing on it with the Nike logo. I actually really dig this box a lot. And you know me, I'm here for the details. I like little subtle things. And the box on here, I'm definitely feeling these. This is definitely a different shoe, especially when I seen it. I'm glad I got it below retail. So let's go ahead and get into it. As we know, on the end, same Nike thing, same Nike print. Got the stamp of approval on the inside. Throw that to the side. You know your boy likes different paper, and they definitely throw us the different paper on the inside. I appreciate that, Nike. Thank you for the detail as we go through here. And now we're gonna get to the shoe. So with this shoe right here, this shoe is a bit different. It's different than all the other ones. It definitely has a different material. This makes me feel like, I'm gonna say this wrong. I definitely am sorry to all the sneakers if I butcher this. The Vegeta Tan. I think they released some 7s, so this definitely feels like the material they use on those when Nike puts that out there for the Jordans. This right here definitely feels different as well. I want to say it kind of has like a sort of denim feel. Definitely feels like it, but we definitely have that tag right here. It's definitely not the regular Nike that we're used to. Like, you know how they use like the different, like this color probably be like this color. They definitely kept this all black, which is definitely a different touch. There isn't any additional laces, maybe not. I know when Nike did the thing on the sneakers app, I did see some. Oh, there it goes. I was gonna say on the sneaker, I did see some red laces. Here are the red laces right there. And inside we have the regular Nike shoe trees as we're so used to before. And we have something else here. What is? Are these more laces? So they put the laces in these boxes right here. We have the black laces, and this right here, there's red laces, and here is some, looks like some like faded purple, maybe faded purple, faded blue. These are definitely like the faded red. I kind of dig those. I've seen people have them on them. I didn't think they came with extra laces. Definitely a good touch. Look, it says shoelaces on the box. Look at the detail. Look at that, Nike. That's all we asked for. Now the Wings logo is just blended in. They didn't like pretty much make extra detail on there. It's definitely blended in. But definitely take a look at this shoe. The materials are different. It doesn't like stand out like crazy, but I definitely dug the colorway. I definitely dug what they did here. I'm a Jordan 1 fanatic, so you know me. This is something I definitely want to see in person. And I'm not mad at these. I'm definitely not mad that I got these below retail, so I'm definitely not mad at these. And yeah, it's really basic like that. I don't feel like I have to go too in detail with these because I don't feel like this shoe needs it. It definitely has that tan bottom at the bottom of those on that sole, and it's definitely like a basic shoe. I like the details in this. This is a different, especially a different material. Again, I don't know what this material is called. Don't butcher me in the comments, but I actually really dig this shoe. It's not too crazy. This part right here feels extra comfortable. What in the world? It feels super soft. I like that. That is cool. And here is the box that's supposed to go on the red one. Oh, I just ripped. Well, that. Oh well. So, I did get these in 11.5, which is my size. Again, check out the detail in these. What do you guys feel about these Heirloom Jordan 1s? Is it a cop? Is it a pass? Is it a wait and see? From the looks of it, it doesn't look like resale is going up on these, and I'm super happy about that. Because of that, I actually got these on a great deal, and you know on this channel, we come here for deals. So what do you guys think about this shoe? I'm definitely going to put some outfits together. If you want to see the outfits, definitely check your boy on Instagram at a sneakerhead on a budget. Check me out on Twitter at TheRealMikePZ. I appreciate y'all. I'll see y'all next time. Peace.
Hope you love all of my shit. I hope you love all of my shit.